Hey there, science fans! Welcome to an exciting journey into the world of 3D printing, where imagination meets innovation. Have you ever wished you could build anything you could imagine? From intricate designs to complex structures, the possibilities are endless. Well, with 3D printing, that dream is becoming a reality. This technology allows us to create objects that were once thought impossible. Imagine a printer that doesn't use ink, but special materials like plastics and metals. These materials are carefully chosen to suit the needs of the object being printed. It builds objects layer by layer, like stacking pancakes from the bottom up. Each layer is meticulously placed to form a precise and detailed final product. That's 3D printing in a nutshell. But there's so much more to explore and understand about this fascinating technology. This incredible technology is changing the world as we know it. It's not just about making cool gadgets, it's about revolutionizing entire industries. From creating life-saving medical devices like custom prosthetics and implants, to producing surgical tools tailored to individual patients, to building homes on Mars, 3D printing is paving the way for future space exploration. Imagine astronauts printing their own tools and habitats on the red planet. 3D printing is making the impossible possible. It's opening doors to innovations we never thought possible, from fashion to food and beyond. It's like having a mini factory right on your desk, ready to bring your wildest ideas to life. Whether you're a hobbyist or a professional, 3D printing offers endless opportunities. So, are you ready to dive into the amazing world of 3D printing? There's so much to learn and discover, and the journey is just beginning. Buckle up, because we're about to embark on a journey that will blow your mind. We'll explore the history, the present, and the future of 3D printing technology. Get ready to discover how this revolutionary technology is transforming medicine, from bioprinting tissues and organs to creating personalized medical treatments. Art is also being transformed by 3D printing. Artists are using this technology to create stunning, intricate pieces that were once impossible to make by hand. And let's not forget space exploration. 3D printing is enabling us to think beyond our planet, creating tools and habitats for future space missions. In education, 3D printing is providing students with hands-on learning experiences, helping them to understand complex concepts and unleash their creativity. In manufacturing, it's streamlining production processes, reducing waste, and allowing for rapid prototyping and customization. Even the fashion industry is embracing 3D printing, creating unique, custom-fit clothing and accessories that push the boundaries of design. And yes, even the food industry is getting in on the action, with 3D printers creating edible masterpieces that are as delicious as they are innovative. The 3D printing community is growing rapidly, with makers, designers, and engineers collaborating and sharing ideas to push the technology even further. The future of 3D printing is bright and full of potential. Who knows what amazing advancements we'll see in the next few years? So let's go. Join us as we explore the incredible world of 3D printing and discover how it's shaping our future one layer at a time.
3D printing is revolutionizing healthcare in ways we could have only dreamed of a few decades ago. This cutting-edge technology is making it possible to create custom solutions for patients in need, tailored to their unique medical requirements. Imagine needing a new hip or a bone replacement. In the past, this would have meant relying on standard-sized implants. These standard sizes often didn't fit perfectly, leading to longer surgeries and more complicated recoveries. But now, with the advent of 3D printing, doctors can create implants that are tailor-made just for you, fitting your body like a glove. This customization means faster surgeries, quicker recoveries, and significantly better outcomes for patients. The precision of these implants reduces the risk of complications and enhances the overall success of the procedure. Doctors can even print detailed models of your bones before surgery. This allows them to practice and plan the procedure with incredible precision, ensuring that everything goes smoothly when it's time for the actual operation. It's like having a personalized blueprint for healing, giving both the patient and the surgeon greater confidence in the success of the surgery. I spoke with Dr. Susan Smith, a leading surgeon who has been at the forefront of using 3D printing in her practice. She shared some fascinating insights into how this technology is changing the landscape of medical care. "It's amazing," she told me. "We can now create implants that fit perfectly, reducing the risk of complications and improving the lives of our patients." Dr. Smith explained that the ability to customize implants to such a high degree has been a game changer. Patients experience less pain, shorter hospital stays, and a quicker return to their normal lives. 3D printing is truly transforming medicine, making healthcare more effective and less invasive than ever before. This technology is not just limited to bone implants, it is being used to create custom prosthetics, dental implants, and even organ models for complex surgeries. The possibilities are endless. For instance, custom prosthetics can be designed to fit the unique anatomy of an amputee, providing better comfort and functionality. Dental implants can be crafted to match the exact shape and size needed for a perfect fit. Surgeons can use 3D printed organ models to practice complex procedures, reducing the risk of errors during the actual surgery. This level of preparation was unimaginable before the advent of 3D printing. As we look to the future, the potential for 3D printing in healthcare is boundless. Researchers are exploring the possibility of printing tissues and organs, which could one day eliminate the need for organ donors. Imagine a world where a patient in need of a liver transplant could receive a new liver printed from their own cells, reducing the risk of rejection and the need for lifelong immunosuppressive drugs. The research is still in its early stages, but the progress being made is nothing short of extraordinary. The integration of 3D printing into healthcare is not just a technological advancement, it's a revolution that promises to improve the quality of life for millions of people around the world. As more hospitals and clinics adopt this technology, we can expect to see even more innovative applications that will continue to push the boundaries of what's possible in medicine. The future of medicine is here, and it's being shaped by the magic of 3D printing. This is just the beginning of a new era in healthcare, where personalized treatment plans and custom medical solutions become the norm, not the exception.
Hold on to your hats, art lovers, because 3D printing is taking creativity to a whole new level. Artists are now using this technology to create mind-blowing sculptures, intricate jewelry, and even fashion designs that were once unimaginable. Imagine holding a sculpture so complex, so detailed, that it seems impossible to have been made by human hands. That's the power of 3D printing. It allows artists to break free from traditional limitations, turning their digital dreams into tangible masterpieces. 3D printing has liberated my imagination, says renowned artist Alex Lee. I can now create forms and structures that were previously impossible to achieve. From museums to art galleries, 3D printed art is captivating audiences worldwide, pushing the boundaries of artistic expression and challenging our very definition of art itself.
Calling all space cadets. Have you ever wondered how astronauts manage to fix things or create new tools while they're millions of miles away from Earth? Well, the answer lies in an incredible technology that's revolutionizing space exploration. Did you know that 3D printing is playing a crucial role in our quest to explore the cosmos? This technology is not just a fancy gadget. It's a lifeline for astronauts who need to be self-sufficient in the harsh environment of space. That's right. Astronauts are now using this technology to print tools, spare parts, and even habitats in space. Imagine the possibilities, from creating custom tools for specific tasks to building entire structures on other planets. Imagine being millions of miles away from Earth and needing a specific tool for a critical repair. In the past, this would have been a logistical nightmare, requiring months of planning and waiting for a resupply mission. Instead of waiting months for a delivery from Earth, astronauts can simply print it on demand. This capability is a game changer, allowing for immediate solutions to unexpected problems. This reduces the need to carry every possible tool and spare part, making space travel more efficient and cost-effective. By printing only what is needed, astronauts can save valuable space and weight on their missions.
NASA is at the forefront of this exciting development. The space agency has been investing heavily in 3D printing technology, recognizing its potential to transform space missions.
3D printing is a game changer for space exploration, says NASA engineer Mark Thompson. He explains that the ability to create tools and parts on demand is crucial for the success of long-duration missions. It gives us the ability to be self-sufficient in space, paving the way for longer and more ambitious missions. With 3D printing, astronauts can tackle challenges head-on without having to rely on Earth for every little thing. Who knows, maybe one day we'll even be printing entire colonies on Mars, all thanks to the power of 3D printing. Imagine a future where we can build habitats, laboratories, and even recreational facilities on other planets, all with the push of a button. The possibilities are endless,
and the future of space exploration looks brighter than ever. As we continue to push the boundaries of what's possible, 3D printing will undoubtedly play a pivotal role in our journey to the stars. From the International Space Station to the surface of Mars, this technology is set to revolutionize the way we live and work in space. So, the next time you look up at the night sky, remember that somewhere out there, astronauts are using 3D printers to make their lives a little bit easier, and our dreams of exploring the universe a reality. The future of space exploration is here, and it's being built one layer at a time, thanks to the incredible power of 3D printing. Stay tuned, Space Cadets, because the adventure is just beginning.